Hi, welcome to Mont du Lac Resort. If you're here to come skiing or snowboarding today, we're going to start right over here at our self-entry station. You just click the start button and add your name, and then it will ask you to verify. If you already have an account, then you just simply fill in the information, hit submit, and then it will take you back to the beginning screen, and you're all set to head over and purchase your rental and your tickets here at the counter. They will give you a rental slip just like this, and then we're going to step over and pick up our rental equipment right over at one of these stations. So to fit your ski boots, or your snowboard boots, you're going to want them to fit nice and snug. To unbuckle, you push in right here where it says push, and then you pull the strap right out, and then you unlatch these ones from the teeth, pull it open nice and wide. You are going to take your shoe off. Make sure you have some nice tall socks on. Okay, point your toe and slip your foot right in. You're going to tap your heel to get it all the way into the heel pocket, and then start buckling. Our staff is more than happy to assist you if you need it. You want the boot to fit nice and snug all the way around, like a skate or a hiking shoe, but with enough room to wiggle your toes. Stand up, flex. You should be able to flex your ankle and your knee, and still have enough room to wiggle your toes. To take your boot off, you're gonna repeat the process. You're gonna push in, pull the strap out, and you're going to undo the buckles from the teeth, pull the tongue forward, and pull your foot out. We have a couple of different types of snowboard boot lacings. We have the laces kind of like a hiking boot, where you have the teeth on the side to make it snug and latch them in, and then you just tie them up just like your shoe. And then for the kids, we have Velcro. Super easy. Some of them are just one Velcro. These ones happen to be 3. Pull it forward, put your foot in, and Velcro them nice and tight. Now, if you choose, you can also rent a helmet. We rent those separately from our equipment rental packages, and you want to get a good fit. Okay, so you want the helmet to sit on your head. There's a nice little dial in the back here, and we dial it all the way out. Put the helmet on like so, and it should sit nice and level. There should be one finger between your eyebrows and the top of the helmet. And when you shake your head side to side and up and down, it should not move. The little dial will adjust and make it just a little bit tighter for you. Don't want it to pinch your head. And then once it fits correctly, then you can adjust the strap so that you can have a nice snug fit. There should be one finger in between the strap and your chin. Any more than that, and the strap will come off your chin, and the helmet won't stay on if you fall. You don't want the helmet to be too small to where your head doesn't go all the way into the helmet, like so. This is too small. It doesn't protect my head. And the same thing, you don't want it too big. This one's too big. It flops around when I move my head. And this is what a chin strap that is too tight or too loose looks like. It comes right off my chin, so if I fall, my helmet will just fall right off. And then for our skis, when we get our skis, if you're brand new to skiing, you want skis that are nice and short, somewhere between your chest and your chin is a good start for skis or snowboards. If you're skiing, having skied a little bit, so you're intermediate, then chin to nose. And for advanced folks, it just depends on what kind of skiing or snowboarding you like to do. You'll take your foot in your boot and you'll point the toe right into the toe of the binding, and you're going to line up the heel in the back, and then you're going to step down so that this back part comes up, and then you are ready to go. When you're ready to take the ski off, you're going to push down here, and the boot and your foot will come out. Now, if you fall while you're skiing and your ski pops off, you may find that it looks like this. Okay? When this is up, then you can't put your ski back on because it's not ready. So you have to push that down flat. I always tell the kids, make sure the alligator's mouth is open and the tail is down, because if the alligator's tail is up, then we can't put on our ski. So to put on a snowboard, you're going to unstrap the binding. This one only has one, sometimes they have two, but you just lift up here and pull it right off the teeth. You bring the high back up so that you can get your foot in, and you take your foot and you push it all the way into the back, and then you're going to strap the binding back up, push the ladder strap into the teeth until it clicks. To release it off your foot is the same. And our boards are set up to go either direction, so no matter which foot you want to have in the front, the board should be set and ready to go for you out on the hill. To return equipment, you just bring it right back up to this counter here and set it up on the counter, and we'll get it scanned back in. Okay, so once you have picked up your lift ticket, you need to know how to put it on. So I like to take and fold it in half. That just gives me a nice crease. I take the wicket and I stick it on a zipper. You don't, preferably you want to put one on your pocket so that it doesn't flap you in the face. But for demonstration, I'll just put it right here. And then I'm going to peel. It becomes a sticker. And I'm going to sandwich the wire right in between. And I'm all set to go.